unim say adeba ko a ɛha yɛ wɔ man mu paa kɛseɛ ɛyɛ galamsey ho nsɛm na yɛba afimpinu ɛne aduonu nan abatoɔ mu no. One of the promises His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Edema NSA obehwe against the fights on galamsey. Na obehwe ni yetimi fight galamsey ni yie pa. In fact, utie communicators na omuko kasafidie so on behalf of the NDC. Na utie Sam George Kran so comments ahodo a wo make ene Minister for Communications. Say si dia sojafuo bom prosifuo bom ni ade ne yekeka wo nyina bom a ne yepese ye stop eye galamsey within some few months ye betumi a stop se opepa no wo se ye be stop nko ade ye betumi edi ho dwuma. In fact sansem we nyina no eto Ghanafuo etrim emebi mu se that time na nado danko akufuado Ghana mampani na wa failing on the fight against galamsey. Per report wa ira frimpon ede ba abonten na nkesi yesum kura di hu dwuma ko wiase no kura wo no ankasa aban no amu nkrofo hya ase emiamia no because emiamia ne ayekotia no sanse waye committee report on the galamsey tiekufu ado time ne de Erastus Asare donko reports ano ye issues o face ye nyasem ketwa na galamsey no said ye na si ti atese ne said ye na ho nsem no ekono ano edin na ema Ghana fo nso ye yem hye ye sanse Ghana Medical Association ene eye other researchers wono mo ehwehwehwe ne sim KUST akra se researchers ni bi wono mo nyina hwehwe mu hu se galamsey ni se die ewu no nyasem ketwa nti uko galamsey communities no a enkwada ye wu omo deformities ya bewu binum na mo nsa ne wo nan no ne ade ebi nsia ebi kura ade so no mo ani how bebre ya kidney ya de ahodo amanfo nyanti ye hu se the effect of galamsey ewo your lives so no ano eden because yensu asai ebeto odwakra se banche eni nkontomre ne enuane aye di ni nyina no cyanide mercury ni ade no wo mo di tu galamsey ni nti no amani nyina ya poisonous ene you feel say would di pa ba na would di poison. And Emma yeyem hihye so those promises no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama emeki yes obe fight against galamsey ede na ho ode aguso no Emma Ghana fo gidiye ene bebre no anu ye nyina so omde to abama aban no but matna ka galamsey ho asem under the second term of John Dramani Mahama say galamsey ne ekoso. In fact Joy News through yankase yenso ntrofo ni bi aye investigations ya yehu se na ebi tua eye sika etua tax e wo shamfan ho omde hyewuram etu galamsey. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no ankasa begina simpie so aka se galamsey no na ban so se yankasa no ekoso a ono an nkrofo bi ewom wo bubo okeka ehun sem se ne nkrofo bi wom eka se mpanimfo pi no anso hyehyemu a omutu galamsey no meaning say galamsey no yentu ase enkoe ene enko fem so because recently ye hu nkrofo a ye che omu bebrebe na Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche on the Church of Pentecost ano in fact pa sorry a omu do so pa over 5 million membership ewo o man we mu a the Pentecost Church omo do so papa na papa yi na da asafo na no na wo ne na sorry for edi dwuma state of the church address asori ni gina bre ni said ye no ma echo na chairman Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche kan nsem wi yentie no yia na ya bochiri aka de ewo ho sanse ensem a okaye no ni nyina fa galamsey ho ene said ye ohu no
gradation and galamsey menace. The extensive pollution of water bodies due to illegal mining in some mining communities, necessitating a shift to synthetic rubber pools in several districts to carry out the ordinance. Retention of souls. While we give glory to God for the multiple of souls won, a critical challenge, unfavorable rainfall patterns, and the deterioration of cocoa farms have established the livelihood of members who depend on agriculture and farming. These unpredicted environmental conditions, along with the seasonal migration of fisher folks, continue to impact the steady financial growth and stability of affected local assemblies. Human capital constraints and literacy gap.
Sɛ wotie papa yi asɛm a no wɔka wɔhyɛ aseɛ na ɔka galamsey ho asɛm no a ɔse sesei asafo no baabi a ɔmo gyina no ɔmo pensuo koraa de abɔ ɔmo asafo no ɛma no asu a asubɔ no koraa ayɛ den ɛdi sei no bebree koraa yusu rubber pool ɔmo pɛ bibi te sɛ pan kɛseɛ paa woyɛ ayɛ yɛmfa ne saa sɛ ɛbɛyɛ bɛte aseɛ ne yɛde nsuo agum na nsɔre ma ne yɛde ɔmo tiri num ɛbu ɔmo asu instead of sɛ yɛde ɔmo bɛkɔ nsuo mu nsupa mu no yɛ galamsey na sɛ nsuo no nyinaa nti ɔmo nya bi mu asu ebi koraa wɔ hɔ a bucket mu ne yɛde agu na yɛbɔ ɔmo asu na ɛno akyi koraa no apart from asubɔ no ɔmo asɔre ma ne sikasɛm ɛne ɔmo asetena mu nsɛm ɔmo livelihood no ɛyɛ basa because ebinom wɔ koko afuo ne ade a galamsey ɛsɛɛ no wɔn mu mfudi a wɔn yɛ nyinaa galamsey no yɛde sɛɛ no eti ama wɔn abrabɔ no nhyɛ da enko yi a saa adeɛ na ɛkɔ so no so negatively affect asɔre ne nso sikasɛm eti utie saa video no ne nsɛm a ɔka yɛ nyinaa wia he was actually calling for unity sɛ nka bom sɛ yɛbɛtumi de akɔ galamsey afiri hɔ asɛm a papa yi ka yɛ ni na saa asɛm wei ɛna CEO Penipa wona da Free Zones Authority ano na mami in fact na I respected her a lot because me obia about women empowerment me mfa ni agro kra. Let's listen to the CEO of Free Zones, Dr. Mary Ewusi. Response Odema Apostle Eric Nyameche.
You Pentecost head and the chairman. Yes. The best chairman. Then next time. Okay. Ma form to that level. What's in the warning? The can't okay, so yes. From Free Zones Authority. From me, Dr. Mary, we say the can't warning. Yes. Said then next time we won't descend it to that level. More fire. So descending back from but yeah, no politician. We would deal with him as a politician. Something like I see you. Yeah, the idea man. Me the idea man this time. Say what yeah, nyamini. Say angwa wanoso. What you say? Enya angwa asem. Angwa wanoso sa anko me kando kan ye. Ye mpesa me kire ni say ye the idea man no. O ye nyamini pa. Oh no yeah you. Pentecost head and the chairman. Na make us o ye nyamini pa. Yes. Ye the best chairman. Then next time. Okay. Ma form to that level. What's in the warning? The can't okay, so yes. From Free Zones Authority. From me, Dr. Mary, we say the warning. Yes. Said then next time we won't descend it to that level. More fire. So descending back from but yeah, no politician. We would deal with him as a politician. Something like I see you. Yeah, the idea man. Me the idea man this time. Say what yeah, nyamini. Say angwa wanoso. What you say? Enya angwa asem. Angwa wanoso sa anko me kando kan ye.
We Dr. Mary Ewusi Ghana Free Zones Authority. Na in fact January on the dasui me hu saa asem we no na me sekra fem na utia ahantan kasa all kan enye me nwanwa because the truth is that most of the NDC leadership no omo did that the nyuma bia no say no dodo no abisi hwe mo ye galamsey enti enye me nwanwa I wouldn't even be surprised. Say bia ma mi kura no obewo concession a wo ye galamsey. I wouldn't be surprised. Enya me nwanwa. Say Dr. Mary Ewusi maybe even having a concession e bia wo ye galamsey. That is why ubetumi attack Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche say waka galamsey asem ti. Mo me ka galamsey asem. But host no cry say oh or ye nyame nipa anointing one. So I'll say anointing one so anko meka sei. Na me say o dwiri we hu awon tiase. Me say I think this woman crash should be investigated because she might be doing galamsey. Ain't no one comfortable with the issues of galamsey. And you are calling on Apostle to say he should keep quiet. And yes, sir, you will deal with what can you do? What can you do? Now, what is NDC that we can't talk about galamsey? What is NDC party? No, your party is from Kumbaya. Galamsey cost one that the NDC ye intimin kan ho asem okromwa. What is special about NDC? Galamsey cost okromwa ye intimin kan ho asem. Enti Apostle Eric Nyameche enka na nontum. Ebra papa we sha ase so waka galamsey asem no enye under NDC nko. This is hypocrisy. Ebra no wakasa under nanado no na wani age wo marry ewusi na wani age. This is on the 11th of March 2020. Apostle Eric Nyameche said don't leave galamsey fight to politicians alone. Na okole on all Ghanaians say yanki humbo because politicians no woman serious. That time na one a president. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo na ye president. And was say ye jayama politicians na nkwana they will fail us. Eti nyina yantinyina. Na yankuntia galamsey no. Sabre no. Amanfo hihiem anu odin sojafo koche na manfo agya wo mo na we yakogurase ne ade a. And this man came out to speak on galamsey. In the year 2022, Jefferson video no mami. In the year 2022, at the galamsey site, he talked about Osakra gu Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo anima se say Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo enye good leader. Papa we kai, Dr. Eric Nyameche okay. Indirectly, who did you know? Indirectly, ti asem okay.
So human beings can solve it. Where there is a will, human beings can solve it. Some people are not willing. Those people, they have to be sought for, sit them down, and cause them. Those who are not willing should be caused to be willing. That is what I'm talking about leadership. But human beings, there's nothing that we can destroy, and there's nothing that we can build. Now that we are, and cause them. Those who are not willing should be caused to be willing. That is what I'm talking about leadership. But human beings, there's nothing that we can destroy, and there's nothing that we can build. Now that we have destroyed this, if there is the will for us to build, when we sit down, we'll build.
He's talking about leadership. That the problem itself is leadership. Sometimes when a leader, and a one will be the isn't one another down Akufo-Addo. Yet he will Krumuha, Ghana, your resources, natural resources, bibia ye will be no. A minor constitution, a mamrat edi 2 meaning in Asha Mampeni, say, on the wood to me say, or bon buying. Yet to my two patches Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche no. Ne members over 5 million, omo the omo nya Ghana for. And he's speaking on behalf of the members, no. Say, almost see how omo komuni. And now sorry sukren to be more slow because in no essay. And now we are fan cobra metoso. How the water said yes, ya pollute waye. Pranomni adi nyina. Is it wholly clean now? I near hypocrite, sir. Why are we so hypocrite? And the farmlands are say, Memoir in Yaswa, Entia, a chase galamsey no cry, come wasem. This is one of the reasons Akufo-Addo elusu power. In Akufo-Addo aban elusu power no. Because after Akufo-Addo in 2024, enka the obe babiano under MPP no. And guess what to me come? But galamsey nsem one of the issues Ghana for the tutua MPP. So if NDC wants to say one more belusu power, and I say Ghana for be full more, when the Ghana for be full no, say Ghana for be full political party be yes and same way arrogance. Politicians don't learn arrogance. A hand time and he should shut up when he comes out to talk again. We will deal with who am I? Doctor, we see who are you? Who are you? This is a man heading a church of 5 million membership. Dear now bet me no. You see, many Ghanaians are woman decide about one and woman decide to me no baby on the back corner. Sir, those Ghanaians no omun tankasa. Who's woman tankasa? They are quiet, the floating voters. One more kasa no na ya na yen central for ya beje kano. You don't understand. Yanum be saying woman kasa na ya ye kasa fa ye muchire mu no. Because omu tie no ma ye din no mu form ho adwene. And some of this arrogance and the informal decisions how to vote. Na NDC Mami we how arrogant and disrespectful are ye towards this galamsey statement here, Apostle Emeki. Media, if she doesn't come out to apologize, this woman should be sacked with immediate effect. Because of support to galamsey. Makacho say obi o support to galamsey bi o yemetamfo. Ene o mekan na no meka wa ha. Me se wo meje me yere wo me fan bibia. But o support to galamsey wo yemetamfo because wo ye wudini. Ye ka galamsey asem na wo pese ye ka ya no tumu a wo ye criminal. Wo ye criminal because wo nya ya nipa wu. Look at how many people are dying from a lot of diseases. E wo kromu ha. Because of galamsey no e pollute your waters ni ane ade nyina. Then you are there telling obi o ka galamsey one say you should shut up. And one can shut up ni be under Akufo-Addo ama no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, this is your statement. January 22. I will say untolerate arrogance. This is a sign of arrogance. And that's no January 22, 2025. And check right. Just about a year ago, my government will not tolerate arrogance and disrespect for the people who elected us. This is total disrespect to Ghanaians. This woman's statement and how she spoke on Accra FM is a total disrespect to Ghanaians, not only to Apostle Dr. Eric Nyamechenkwa. You must take action against this attitude. Na politicians na nkasa na munsua di entia. Na wo dem pa, you should keep insulting. Amanfo ka na no ma yesa mo ye na se ebe ma amanfo no ehu se mo ye bibi mo ye adwuma na se amanfo na ni beje no. O mo ka mo dem nkoso ni wo matem. Now you'll be shocked with the votes you get in 2028. You'll be shocked. Let me tell you, NDC, if you continue like this with this arrogance, you'll be shocked with the votes you get in 2028. I said that this woman needs to come out. Else she should be sacked. Very disrespectful. And for women empowerment, me pemasem, a mania position I support them. NMC ba amini din kobo. Because she's a woman. Ya woman pi wo ananka me pese chese me di piano pa. But the ma opposition we want to support them small. But ye pia woman kakra wachi. But this woman, some of these characters, Edins crash obit we can wasem. Share achimo sikem. Come and look at the pictures. Be ready assassin aye. Dra Facebook in 104.5. Be achimo sikem. Hwensuo no de aye. Renipa na timu no galamsey ready aye assassin. It will be kokan we ya nrechi ya photo. We ya nrechi ya photo be on Facebook. Ready assassin aye. Na obi kokan o se manenka. Ti mercury ye gunsuo pede nsuo na ni aye. Ebe no numa kwa asasim. Enya nsuo bi ba na abom nsuo to na yiri a na akọ friendsuo bi ni abenom. Na wo de wo what kind of country are we living in? So he should shut up because he's talking about galamsey. Anyway, ya kwachi China for manim hancho omugu kromwa. It's a sign that galamsey is still ongoing. China for omuni ade omokono. Bra Facebook na behwe omo nye China ni baako. They are about 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Omo gukromu ahwede omo ya asase ba bi omo free ba no kra ahwe. Ena 9 months fo akọchi omo. Enti ye ka we na osimi enka. Ye ka we ya osimi enka. And then you should shut up. The apostle can no dear pa and a true. This is a man. Me mau evidence. And unti na matu me boasi make ho asem sa. Me mau evidence. We ye wasa akropon. Western region. Papa bia okọ na afum okodu no bia mo na mane o. Ye dwiri ni kokofu nyina agu and wo gina ho no wosu. Eti apostle ka se manfo kokofu ye se no ntu o mabrabo asori ma no bi kura ntimi nya de omde beba omo ho bra eno bone be ne obi kokko ne yatwa gu no. This is the evidence there.
Otima fo nya atwagu otima fo nya atwagu omse me hiani mi dum no omutima nso omutima fo nya atwagu omutima fo nya atwagu omutima fo nya atwagu mama kabi mame Adum TV mumu ame mumu kabi mame mumu kabi mame mumu kabi mame yo mumu kabi mame yo Mungabi mami yo, ye hiani yo, ngina kwa mnimho, mungabi mami. Kokwa mdesha mire, mdesha mema, mdesha mabushia, James Manin, abejunya atwagu, odebejunya atwagu, oni menka sai, oni menka ahwe, kasa. Midi minu omutu manzo, omutima fo nya atwagu, omutima fo nya atwagu, omutima fo nya atwagu. Mama kabi mami, Adum TV, mumu ame, mumu kabi mami.
Papa ne gina ho no no wo su no. Ye dwiri kokko nyina omde be galamsey. Ye kokko ni nyina ye dwiri.
Ngina kwa mnimho, mungabi mami. Kokwa mdesha mire, mdesha mema, mdesha mabushia, James Manin, abejunya atwagu, odebejunya atwagu, oni menka sai, oni menka ahwe, osusu mafuo, oga ahwe, abejunya atwagu.
Enti Doctor, we see you should rather shut up. Ya ye serious. Wo maimu. Ya ye serious wo maimu. And for the issues on galamsey. Say yema NDC enya home da until say even those people na Mahama can say they are within the government they been muya appointees they be shame wo moye galamsey no they have been exposed. It is a Dr. Maria we see you want people to shut up. You should rather shut up. That's my statement to you. Nhyira 104.5 Abusia meba
Fiatuo ye kanu se de tie na fa de anim osoro nim